Restaurants that you don't wanna miss in Seoul, South Korea, Part 6. Isa sa pinakasikat at pinipilahan na restaurant dito sa Myeongdong, ang Myeongdong's Gyoza. They only have 4 items in their menu, their kalguksu, and their dumplings. And yes, Michelin Bib Gourmand awarded sila. Mabilis lang sila hanapin kasi may kita nyo agad yung pila. We went here early, so swerte namin nakaupo agad kami. Mabilis lang naman yung queue, so don't worry. So of course, we got to order their kalguksu and their famous dumplings. So let's start with their kalguksu. Handmade night-cut wheat flour noodles. The noodles were soft and slippery smooth, pero may bite pa din siya. Meron din siyang kasamang parang wonton sa loob. And kahit maliit siya, in fairness, very meaty. Although for us, parang medyo natabangan lang ata kami sa soup. We definitely added more spices. For us, better siya with their kimchi. As in, elevate niya talaga yung lasa. What we couldn't get enough is their dumplings. As in, pwede pa kaming i-order ng another batch. Tig-isa na lang sana kami. As you can see, the dumplings were huge and plump. Very meaty and I can taste the chives. Very clean lang yung lasa niya, so hindi siya nakakaumay. Honestly, yung pinaka na-enjoy talaga namin was the kimchi. Matapang siya. It has that nice heat. And perfect siya talaga